Hi guys, in this tutorial today we are going to start new course for SQL language, MySQL language. So we are going to guys learning all about the database, all about SQL language, data structures. So SQL language is for data structures. We are going to learning to build our full stack data engineers course. And after this course, you are going to become a data science or to become a data analyst. So you are going to after take finish this course, and then you are going to build or you are going to take your file then to analyze in Power BI or in Apollo. You are going to build your dreams job. So after this tutorial, you're going to find uh, that the best companies high tech around the world you are going to find. So let's go to create our first database. How to create a first database? So let's go to create our first database. Okay. So guys, come to here, get our query. So this is our query. So here all our project or here all our work will be done here in this dashboard. So let's go to here guys. We have a schema. You see this is a schema, and then this is the demonstrations. You can see all your performance and your dashboards. You see how many times you work, so you can see everything here, but this is not important because you are going to start from scratch. So let's go to focus on here. It's very important guys. I forget something here. If guys you don't know how to download or to set up MySQL or Postgres in your computer, so write me down. I'm going to help you how to download step by step, and then we get to in dive in to start to code. So if you have any question guys, to write me down. I'm going to help you how to download. It's so easy to download. Let's go to create our first uh, database. Okay, how to create the first database? Come to just here. Okay, create database. Create database, and then you are going to give your database name, right? So we are going to give our database. So let's give to our database. We said just said my SQL, or just we called employee. So maybe we write in okay, employee. So our database called employee guys. So let's go to run. Here guys, if you want to execute all, it's meaning to select like this and then to execute like this, and then if you just want to write this your cursor and then to click here and also go to work. Okay, so let's go to next like this and then to run. Yes guys, we already, you see one row affected, so we already created, right, our database, and let's go to use it. So because if you have guys, you have a many database here, and then if you want to work, so sometimes maybe you are in the wrong database, so it's important to call to use database. use use our database called employ, right? Okay, run. Ah, see guys, why? Because we forget in L, so you have to, write. See, so we already use it. So let's go to select stars meaning all from uh, employee. You just can run like this. So okay, so why guys? Because we don't have anything, right? But if we say go to show data base, so it's going to show our database, right? So where our database you see here, so this is our database that we created, right? So like this, how to create a database and use your database, and then we are going to guys to learning complete MySQL or SQL language data structures in this full stack. And guys, if you are new here, programming academic, welcome, and likes and subscribe to sharing your friends who want to learning. Let's to learning these amazing things together. All about SQL language we are going to learning in this full stack programming academic channel. So thank you, and I'm looking forward to see you in my next tutorial.